Okay, so I'm starting off with this white shade from the 12, I want to say pistachio, but it's not the name of the palette. But anyway, I'm starting off with that white shade that you just saw, just because I know it's going to give me a more vibrant look whenever I start to put the other colors in. So I'm just going in with that. And now I'm just taking this green shade because I really wanted to go with a green look today, only because my boyfriend just told me to do a green look because I didn't know what I wanted to do. But so I'm taking that light green shade and buffing that in to my eye currently. Now I'm taking this dark green from the same palette and I'm just putting that a little bit below the green, the light green shade, because I just want the light green shade to just pop out at the end of this look. So I'm just buffing this, I guess you can say, really into my crease, but I can't remember what the name of this brush is, but I'll have the link to all of these in the description box. But now I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette and getting that dark green shade that you just saw. I'm putting on the outer and inner because I am going to be putting in a shimmer in the middle of my eyelid. So I just want that to be on the outside of the gold that will be going into my eye. I'm just going in with my favorite highlighter ever. It's not Fenty Beauty, but it's just as good. It's just a couple bucks off of Wish. But I'm taking the E14 brush and I'm packing that in, which is my favorite brush to pack in shimmer eyeshadows. But I love this highlighter so much. I recommend. Now I'm just taking this green glitter eyeliner that I got from Wish too. I ordered like 4 of them, but they're pretty pigmented. I like them. There's like a couple bucks as well, but don't sleep on Wish. Wish has good quality things as well. Now I got this eyeliner from Rue 21 and I don't think it really has like a brand to it. I mean, I think it's just a couple bucks as well. As you guys can see, I use both high-end and just kind of drugstore makeup as well. I mean, all of it works just as well. But I'm just using that for my wing, and I went in with the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner as well just to clean it up, but yeah. Now I'm going to go back in with that dark green shade from the 12 Morphe palette, and then I'm going to go in with the even darker shade that I used earlier from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to put that like on my waterline just to basically blend in with the top, and I'm just winging it out just because I just wanted to be a little extra and just wing it out, the eyeshadow alongside of the wing. And this is actually my favorite little brush to use as well. It's also from Morphe, but like I said, I'll have all the brushes that I did use in this video in the description box. On this part, I kind of just wanted to be like extra and do something different because I've never really put anything else on my eyebrow besides like brow pomade or whatever, because I just use whatever I kind of feel like using that day for my eyebrows. It just depends if I want a bold eyebrow or not. But I was thinking more of like a green ivy type thing, and I might recreate this look in the near future if I ever get better at makeup, but I'm still learning, obviously, as you guys can see, so bear with me, and I take constructive criticism as well. Now I'm taking the same gold highlighter. I'm using that obviously as my highlighter because it's my favorite, always. Thank you guys so much for actually watching this video. This was actually one of my more creative looks, so I think I did a decent job for doing this for the first time. I actually just attempted this. This was like a one shot, one try. I didn't even do my other eye, to be honest with you. I got kind of lazy. But Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so you do know when I post and you do not miss when I do post. And I will catch you beauties in the next video. Bye.